navigational query tasks. That's where you're looking for a site. So you type in something like Amazon, and you want to go to Amazon.com. Those tend to be very, very short, very, very fast. They're one query, one click, you're in, you're out, you're done. The median time to success on our site for those is about 15 seconds. On the other hand, informational tasks and transactional tasks, tasks where you're trying to find some information or you're trying to take some action on the web, tend to be longer. A task like that might span days even. It might be half an hour on Monday, an hour on Tuesday, 15 minutes on Thursday. So each of those is kind of a long separate session where you're collecting information from different parts of the web. And overall, you're trying to aggregate that together to accomplish something. People keep coming back to the same tasks or the same topics over and over again, either because they're just trying to get back to the same site or tool, or kind of more interestingly, because they're trying to pick up where they left off on a task, or maybe get to some information they found.
We've spoken to users, and we find that around about 2/3 of users say that they've used search during the last 6 months to help them make important decisions. About 75% of people say they've used search to help them purchase something, make a purchase decision online. And about 60% of people say that they've also used search to look for local information and make decisions. Users may be using search more frequently, but actually what you find is that it doesn't mean that they're more satisfied with what they're getting. When you look at these kinds of decision-oriented searches that they may be doing, it's taken them a long time. So it takes them up to 4 times as long to do something like a shopping decision or a local decision task, as opposed to doing a quick in and out search for other things. And then in terms of satisfaction, we did some research where we looked at users' expected satisfaction and their actual satisfaction with doing these things. And something like local is, it's very distinct. It has much lower satisfaction compared to other things that they might be doing with search.
Customers don't come to search engines because they like just searching. Maybe occasionally they do, but usually it's because they have some sort of task in mind. Search engines today are about individual queries, but really what we see is that where customers spend their time is usually on these kind of longer and harder tasks that end up taking many queries and visits to many pages. It's kind of a hub and spoke model where the search engine results page is the hub, and then various other pages they click to are the spokes that they're going off to. You're not going to trust just one site that you went to make a big decision about a job change or even a health change or whatnot. You want to collect and compare information across kind of the best of the web. Sometimes it's small decisions. Should I head home right now? Is the traffic good? Or should I wait an hour? And sometimes there are larger decisions. Should I move to this area or this area? Which one has the better school district? Both of those are the sorts of things that people depend upon search engines to help them answer. So we're really seeing that while search engines today are about that single query, single click experience, there's a much broader context of accomplishing these tasks that spans to clicking on many pages, to doing many queries, to doing research across many sessions that could last days or weeks or months, to even kind of incorporating your friends, your spouse, your other people who you want to get feedback on and collaborate with on these projects.